Hey everybody! Okay, real quick video on how to sort in Excel. So let's suppose you wanted to put the numbers in week 2 in order. Just click on column B. That highlights everything in week 2. And then you go up here to the data tab. And then under the data tab, there's this little area here for sorting. You can sort ascending, which goes smallest to biggest, or you can sort descending, which goes biggest to smallest. So if you wanted to know what the smallest values were, you can do this. Now, the box that pops up, I have never not used the first choice, expand the selection. What that does is it keeps the data together. So for example, looking over here, you see how the first value in week 2 is 15 and the next value is 10. That's the same student. They did 15 burpees in week 1 and 10 burpees in week 2. As long as we hit expand the selection, it'll keep that 10 next to that 15 when that 15 gets sorted. So I'm going to hit sort with expand the selection chosen. And now week 2 is in numerical order and it's kept all the week 10 values with it. Okay? So we can then sort week 10 if you want. I'll sort descending this time. And then definitely expand the selection so it keeps the values with it. And then there you go. So now you know the largest number of burpees. Whoa, it's 31. That's actually trippy. We're gonna come back to that probably. Okay, I hope that helps and read on.